guys, so I've just got a small haul video to share with you, and this isn't from one haul. This is from might be 2 or 3 actually. One was an op shop and another one was reverse garbage. So, and I've just chucked him aside in a box and I forgot to show you, but anyway, this is just another Macquarie dictionary, and you probably saw in my last reverse garbage haul I bought 2 Webster's dictionaries, but I don't know, I can't pass them back. I can't like walk past them. For some reason I must get them. But I like this one because it's got the little pictures. Not as many as the Webster's, but like I do like the dictionaries with the little pictures. These pages are the thin pages though, which I usually like to coffee dye them and then use them in collages and stuff. But look, aren't those so super cute? Anyway, so I've got one of those. I don't think this is very old. This is... Oh, I didn't see that. Look at the beautiful picture in the front. Pity it's so damaged. This is probably 80s. 81. Okay, so I've got that one. This is another Webster's. This one's Encyclopedic Dictionary. And it's huge. These are the ones I like because these ones, they have the really thick pages. They're thick matte pages, not that really thin paper like the other dictionary I just showed you. And these ones have the pictures too. I need to put some more paper packs in my Etsy. I think I've got way too many books and stuff built up. But look, this is the one with the little alphabet down the side. And look at the pages. They're all so yellowed around the edges. Around there. Anyway, these ones will be nice in just vintage journals. So I got that one. And look what I found. This is a bit beaten up. Well, a lot beaten up, but it's really big, this book. Birds. It's got all their eggs and stuff there. Actually, this one's super beaten up. Hold on. There's a pile of junk about to fall on the side of my desk. Pile of papers. It's got a little certificate here. Presented to Marrickville West School Library by 6th grade 1968. Yeah, Marrickville is where reverse garbage is. I think I did get this one from reverse garbage. Look, the pages are all out, but that's okay because I'm going to chop it up anyway. But it's just got really beautiful pictures. It's matte finish as well. It's not glossy. But look at that. And I know there was someone that, Nat Williams, was it you that said you were doing a bird journal? We've got a little blue budgie like this. It's just really gorgeous. Look at that. Look at all the little duckies. I love it. I've actually got quite a few bird books now built up. Oh, look at the owls. So, when I get into my new crafty room or garage, I put together some bird ephemera packs or something. Or make some tags or something. Journal cards. It's so pretty. I just love it. Look at that. So gorgeous. Anyway, So there was that great big thing. Look, it's so beaten up. Oh my gosh. That. And this one, I love this. This is the Empire Annual for Australian boys. Little football player there. It's probably rugby union, not rugby league, but and there's a note in here. Now, I'm not sure, but I think it says, to Jamesy. To Jamesy, with love from, I don't know if that's Mother or Matthew. Wishing him many happy returns of the day. January 27th, 1918. I don't know if it's Mother or Matthew, but it seems weird if it's Mother wishing him many happy, not wishing you. Anyway, so I love the writing, even though I can't read it, but so beautiful. And on the front, look how brown age that is. It's got the colour book plates in there, you know, with that little thin paper page. Famous rugby players. I just love the old pictures. And the pages are really thick and yellowed. And there's some coloured book plates in there as well. I think only 5, the rest are black and white. Look at that. How cool is that? Gorgeous picture. Looks like a painting. Anyway, so I found that. I don't know what I'll do with this. I might put this on my old bookshelf, but I'm not sure. There is one loose page at the back, but it's really gorgeous. Okay, so that's it for the books. Then I got some wallpaper, because like I need more wallpaper. This one I was excited to see because I've actually had a roll or two of this before. Oh, is it too bright? My lamp's a bit bright, isn't it? I've actually found 1 or 2 rolls of this exact wallpaper trim before. And I put it in my wallpaper trim packs in my Etsy shop a while back. It's really pretty. And these ones I actually found a couple of months ago, but I forgot to show you, but I popped them in the box to show you because they're really beautiful. This is some wallpaper trim as well. But look at the butterflies. Isn't it pretty? And it was in this great big box of just wallpapers and envelopes and all that sort of stuff. And I did have a good rummage through, but I only found these 2 little rolls. I wish I had more because it's so gorgeous. I'm not sure what I'll do with that yet. And I found some other trims. I don't like the feel of cotton balls, velvet or anything like that. But I did like, this is purple with like a gold feather up the middle. It's got the wire on each side. But it's velvety. I hate the feel. Oh, it gives me the shivers. My son, to shit me up, he used to always, he'd hold a cotton ball and just stand in front of me. Or at the corner of my eye, I'd see him going like that to a cotton ball. And it gives me the absolute shivers. But I thought that might be nice in some boho journals. Oh, a couple of videos ago I said, I don't have a lot of blue lace or trim, and I said, I did find some the other week, I'll show you at the end of the video, and then I forgot to show you. This is the one I was talking about. I suppose not blue, but close enough. It's little flowers and love hearts. It's that nice thick one. It's not much there though. But I grabbed it because I never come across those. And this one, look. Little little birds. Thought this one was really cute. So there was that. Oh my gosh, look at these guys. Psychedelic. I don't know why I got these, but I was thinking boho journal. Can you see it? Oh, it's so hard to show these sort of things on camera, but yeah, it's just crazy. It's got the wire on each side as well, but I normally just snip it and then pull that wire out. I don't know, it's not something I'd normally use, but I just thought it was so cool. Maybe one day I'll make some boho packs or something. And this one, it's got some purple in it. Purple and green and gold. So shiny. Oh my gosh. I'm just wondering what's this used for normally, like not junk journal related, but when people buy this new from a shop, what do they do with it? I have no idea. Okay, what else? I got this. I don't know why. Why do I need a giant spool of yellow lace? Can someone tell me? I don't know. Look, it's not even that pretty. Let me pull a piece out. Oh wait, is that the other end? Okay, I don't know. There's an end here. Why do I need a giant spool of yellow stretchy lace? I have no idea. But it was there and I got it. Okay. And the last thing, sorry, I've got no room here. Move aside. Lastly, there was this, actually when I got it, it was like this one, yeah. It was this bag and this bag. But in this bag is a few little bags of all lace, and it looks like some are just lace sample type things. I haven't really been through it yet. Oh, this one's pretty. Yeah, they've all got these little numbers on them. Must be the style of lace. And, you know, I don't know, catalogue number or something, but that's nice. Some are longer pieces, some are littler pieces. That's cute. I don't know, I just saw it and it was a good price, so I grabbed it. So just a tiny little. I thought since, oh, this one's cute, little flowers, like a daisy chain. Since I made those lace trimmed pages and the snippet pages, and they sold out fairly quickly, and a few people messaged, are you putting any more in your Etsy shop? And I said I will, but I didn't want to give a day because I've been too unreliable with, you know, promising I'll do it this weekend or next weekend, and life is too crazy at the moment to commit to dates, so, and I don't want to let people down, so I will soon, just as soon as I get some time. Oh, this one's pretty. And I like when they're not shiny, like, I don't know, you know some of those synthetic ones that are really, really shiny? This one's not shiny. Don't know if you want to see them all. Oh, this one's cute. They were so neat and I've just messed them all up. Anyway, that was in one little baggie. There are a few other baggies in here as well. Oh, this one's just crochet trims. Ooh, this one looks interesting. This is the one I like. I like these. They just remind me of 70s style. But normally when I find this, I usually chop it off old tablecloths or clothes or something like that. I never actually find it as is. Oh, some wide. Okay, I've made a complete mess of it, but that's okay. What else? Okay, since I've opened it, I might as well show you the rest. Okay, there's all these little baggies in here. With all little, they look like little samples or something. Just tiny little pieces that are numbered. Little snippets. See, this bag was meant for me. I just made some. I bought this bag yesterday when I was out. This one came from Reverse Garbage. I like all different mixes. Ooh, some wider ones. Very wide. I'll have to snip. Oh, you could use the wide one for pockets, I suppose. I don't really use a lot of lace in my journals, but I like to sew lace on paper for other people to use in journals. Don't ask me why. I think it looks, I like lace on really heavy coffee dyed paper, but I just don't use a lot of it. Oh, this looks like some of the wedding one I've already got. Oh, okay, these are the types I like. Not the real pretty lacy. I like these sort of ones, the cotton ones. Oop, little piece of black. Don't know what I'll do with that, maybe Halloween something. Anyway, that's it. Lace. What else? That's it. That's all I've got to show you. Anyway, if you don't know Reverse Garbage, if you're in Sydney, I'm going to put the link to their website down below. Head over because I found this at Reverse Garbage. And these at Reverse Garbage. And these. The rest I think were op shops. Oh no, this as well. But yeah, you find all sorts of crazy things there. It's a recycle centre, or they call it Creative Reuse Centre. Anyway, head down there because yeah, they got like this. I would never plan to go out and buy this, but if you come across it, you just grab it because it's like so strange. I've never seen it before. Anyway, that's it, and thanks for watching. Bye.